If you are looking for a short trekking gateway from San Jose, Cerro Pelado is one of the best places to consider. It's roughly a 3 hours drive from the airport, located in Guanacaste province, and offers a wide open landscapes with rolling hills. You can either trek during the day, catch the sunset and camp overnight, or trek at night and camp with a chance of seeing shooting stars and sunrise. Our trek was organized by Vibe Tours, and it was scheduled specifically to coincide with a predicted meteor shower. After packing our bags and finishing a light dinner, we boarded the minivan arranged by our operator, accompanied by our guide, Farah. I don't know if you guys are seeing that. There are other people also. All of them are going to Cerro Pelado only. So there is a parking issue. We got down in the middle.
Hi, Santosh. Hi, blogger.
Here is the birthday boy, Manish.
Hey, Santosh, hi.
Hello.
Namaste.
Namaste. Because the trek coincided with the predicted meteor shower, a large number of people arrived with different organizers and in their own vehicle. The parking area was completely full by the time we reached the site. As a result, our van had to park well before the designated parking zone, and we walked the remaining distance to the trailhead before starting the actual trek. There are a lot of buses and cars over here. In our single bus, there were 40 people, so there are at least 300 to 400 people who are trekking with us.
We're going to give some instructions, so let's get close together. There's a lot of people at this place, as you can see, so it's very important for us to stay together. We're going to give you all a bracelet from Vibester, and it's important that we can see it, right? That is visible once we gave it to you. Okay, so we have an emergency kit right here. Eduardo has it, so if any of you have any type of discomfort, let us know. He is trained in first emergency aid, so...
That's a good one.
Get one for me also.
You have already, right?
ये बहुत चुभ रहा है इसे. The trek begins in complete darkness, with visibility limited to what our flashlights illuminate.
मेरा पीछा नहीं आ रहा है वो.
Sham,
कुछ दिखा दे रहा है क्या?
कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा.
हाँ तो मैं वो सोच रहा हूँ कि नाइट विजन लगा है क्यों?
The first kilometer is a steep climb, which took us roughly 45 minutes to complete.
Hola amigo.
We are taking some breather.
Yeah, I think we need to wait here.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Alright? Yeah.
Beyond that, the terrain opens up into rolling hills and is much easier to cover. So in simple word, कान फट गई है.
बादल आ गया.
यार क्लाउड्स. मुंह से हवा निकल रही है.
Coming from there.
क्या करें? निकल लेगा आगे. अरे रुकिए थोड़ा.
Here, people set up their camps across different hilltops. Some with tents, other with sleeping bags, and few even brought folding chairs to wait for sunrise.
ये टॉर्च मार रहे हैं मुंह के ऊपर. Hey guys, टॉर्च बंद करो
I
यार.
don't know if you guys are seeing this, but we have decided to camp over here. This is where people camp and watch the stars. In our case, shooting stars. We spent the night in high-speed cold wind, watching shooting stars, waiting for the sun, which when arrived, unveiled the real beauty of the rolling hills. Then we started our descent, admiring the beauty of nature and wondering how did we cover this trail in the night.
We successfully finished our trek. Sorry, finished our off trek. Now we have to go back.
Try to guess who this person is.
We don't know in night how much we climb. Morning only we get to know. So night treks are always good. Risk is only at return in morning.
It's a bit steep. I have to go on first here.
And we should follow the lane also.
Okay, so people are sleeping over here. This is our guide. She taught us how to walk down the trail.
Like this.
Like this, yeah.
Right? Because you don't sleep as much.
So far it is working.
That's it.
Agreed, go. Okay. Although this stick has been very useful to us, so we
Yeah.
are saying thank you and we are
Thank
trying
you.
to
Not keeping it. We are keeping it for
Why are you
someone-
keeping it?
For someone else. It will be
Okay, okay.
helpful for someone else.
So that is it about today's video. Like, share and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.